Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CPQ tools with Salesforce for complex deals, full guide step by step clearly. To enable CPQ tools with Salesforce for complex deals, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the upper left corner of the screen. Search for and select the Setup option. In the Setup menu, find the Quick Find box on the left side. Type CPQ into the Quick Find box. Select CPQ from the results. Click on the Get Started button to begin the activation process. Review the activation requirements and check if your Salesforce environment meets them. Once confirmed, proceed to enable the CPQ feature. Return to the Setup menu and search for Installed Packages. Locate Salesforce CPQ in the list of installed packages. Click on the Configure button next to Salesforce CPQ. Follow the prompts to set up settings specific to your organization's needs. Once configuration is complete, you'll be directed to the CPQ admin settings page. Here, set up pricing rules according to your product requirements. Create product bundles to offer complex deals more efficiently. Define discount schedules to control pricing strategies for specific customer segments. Next, configure quote templates to ensure consistency in documents sent to clients. Head over to the Quotes section in the CPQ tool. Select quote templates and choose or create templates that align with your branding. Set up approval processes to manage discount thresholds and ensure compliance. To do this, navigate back to the Setup menu and search for Approval Processes. Create a new approval process tailored for CPQ quotes. Once completed, test the configuration by creating a sample quote. Access the CPQ app from the app launcher to create a new quote based on your defined settings. Use the product selector to add items to your quote. Validate that pricing, terms, and conditions reflect your setup accurately. Review the quote for accuracy before sending it to stakeholders. Adjust configurations as necessary based on feedback from users. Now, train your sales team on how to utilize the CPQ tools effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.